Welcome, dear English learners. I am so happy you are here today because we are going to talk about something very useful: how to talk about your daily routine in English. Knowing how to describe your day is not only helpful for practicing your language skills, but it also makes it easier to connect with others. Imagine being able to tell your friends, classmates, or even new people in your life exactly how you spend your day, from the moment you wake up in the morning to the time you go to bed. It might sound simple, but this small skill can make a big difference in improving your English. In this video, I will share my personal experiences, tips, and examples so that you can learn in a fun and easy way. So, get ready, pay attention, and let's start this journey of learning how to talk about your daily routine. When I was young, life seemed very simple and carefree. I didn't have many responsibilities, and I rarely thought about the future. My father had money, so all my needs and wants were easily met. Whether it was food, clothes, toys, or school supplies, I never had to worry about anything. Life felt easy, and I could enjoy every day without stress or pressure. Because of this comfort, I didn't feel the need to study too hard or take on serious work. I spent most of my time playing, exploring, and having fun. Some days I would play games with my friends, while on others I would spend hours imagining stories and adventures in my mind. Each day was filled with little joys, and I felt free to do whatever I liked. Looking back now, I realize that those childhood days were not only fun, but also very easy. However, I also understand that while life seemed simple, it didn't teach me important lessons like discipline, responsibility, or the value of managing time. It was a period of comfort and freedom, but it was only the beginning of my journey toward understanding the importance of daily routines and hard work. As I grew older, I started to realize that life is not always as simple as it seemed during my childhood. Comfort and money can make things easier, but they cannot teach important lessons like discipline, responsibility, or patience. I began to notice that people around me who followed daily routines and worked hard were more organized and achieved their goals faster. This made me think about my own habits and the way I spent my days. I also understood that having everything without effort can sometimes make life feel empty. While I enjoyed my childhood, I missed out on learning how to manage my time, complete tasks, and take pride in my own achievements. I realized that daily routines are more than just schedules. They are habits that shape our character, improve our skills, and prepare us for the challenges of life. This understanding changed the way I looked at each day. I started to think about what I could do to improve myself and use my time wisely. Even small actions, like waking up early, studying a little every day, or helping with simple chores, became meaningful. Slowly, I began to create a daily routine for myself that brought structure, purpose, and a sense of accomplishment into my life. Now that I understand the importance of routines, my daily life looks very different from when I was a child. Every morning, I wake up early, even before the sun rises. I start my day with small habits like brushing my teeth, washing my face, and having a healthy breakfast. These simple steps help me feel fresh and ready to face the day. I also take a few minutes to plan my tasks, so I know what I need to focus on. After that, I dedicate time to study and practice English. I read, listen, and sometimes even speak aloud to improve my skills. This part of my routine is very important because it helps me grow and learn something new every day. Later in the morning or early afternoon, I work on my projects, write, or complete tasks that require attention and focus. I also make sure to include small breaks during the day. Sometimes I take a short walk, stretch, or simply relax for a few minutes. These moments of rest help me stay energetic and motivated. In the evening, I spend time with my family, enjoy my hobbies, or reflect on my day. Finally, before going to bed, I review what I did, prepare for tomorrow, and try to sleep on time. Following this daily routine has made my life more organized and meaningful. It has taught me that small, consistent habits can create big changes. Even simple actions, when done regularly, help me stay productive, learn new things, and feel happier each day. Following a daily routine has taught me many important lessons about life. I realize that even small habits, when done consistently, can create big changes over time. For example, spending just a few minutes every day practicing English or organizing my tasks has helped me feel more confident and capable. My routine gives my day structure, which makes it easier to focus on what really matters instead of wasting time on unimportant things. Another thing I noticed is that a routine brings balance to life. By setting aside specific times for work, study, rest, and hobbies, I can enjoy all parts of my day without feeling stressed or overwhelmed. I have time for learning, for creativity, and for relaxation. This balance makes me feel happier and more satisfied at the end of each day. A daily routine also builds discipline and responsibility. When I stick to my schedule, I feel proud of myself for completing tasks and making progress. It teaches me to manage my time well and to prioritize what is important. Over time, these habits have helped me become more organized, focused, and motivated. Finally, having a routine has shown me the value of planning and consistency. Life may not always be simple, but when I follow my daily routine, I feel prepared for challenges and more in control of my life. It has become a tool not just for productivity, but also for personal growth and happiness. If you want to practice talking about your daily routine in English, the best way to start is by observing your own day. Notice what you do from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. Try to remember even the small things, like having breakfast, taking a walk, or reading a book. Writing these activities down in simple English sentences can be a very helpful first step. For example, you can write, I wake up at 7 a.m., I eat breakfast, or I study English for 1 hour. Next, try to speak about your routine out loud. You don't need to worry about mistakes at first. The goal is to get comfortable describing your day in English. You can start by telling a friend, recording yourself, or even practicing in front of a mirror. Adding small details like your favorite hobbies, exercises, or meals makes your story more interesting and natural. Another important tip is to keep your routine flexible. Life can be unpredictable, and it's okay if you don't follow your schedule perfectly every day. The key is consistency, not perfection. Even small efforts, when done regularly, will help you improve your English and become more organized in life. Finally, remember that sharing your daily routine in English is a great way to connect with others. It can help you make friends, participate in conversations, and build confidence in speaking. By practicing this simple skill every day, you can improve your English, stay productive, and even enjoy your day more. So, start today, take small steps, and watch how much you grow.